Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the NotebookLM for slide presentations. Okay, so creating a great presentation is not just about making attractive slides. It's about organizing the information, understanding your topic, and presenting it clearly. So if you're a student, teacher, researcher, or professional, then the NotebookLM can really help you prepare a presentation much faster. Okay, so you will learn how to upload your research materials, generate presentation outlines, summarize the information, prepare the speaker notes, and even practice your presentation using the Notebook LM's AI features. Okay, so yeah, the Notebook LM is a Google's AI-powered research and note-taking assistant. Unlike many AI chatbots, the Notebook LM works primarily with the sources you upload. So these sources can include PDFs, Google Documents, Google Slides, and more. Because the AI bases its responses on your materials, it's especially useful for preparing presentations that accurately reflect your research instead of relying only on general information. So think of the Notebook LM as an AI presentation assistant that helps you organize and understand your content. So start by signing in with your Google account. So using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Notebook LM. And then you have this first result. So simply tap on this one. And then tap on the Try Notebook LM. Okay, so you would be directed to the section. So all you have to do is to log in using your Google account. And then once you're here, just have to create your notebook. So tap on the Create New Notebook. And then we are going to give our notebook a descriptive name such as marketing presentation, thesis defense, business proposal, science report. Okay, so I'm just going to name this one as science report. All right. So keeping one notebook for each presentation project makes it easier to manage your sources and stay organized. Now the next step is to upload your presentation materials. Okay, so you just have to tap on the Add Sources option. That's right. Okay. So here, you can include research papers, PDF reports, Google Documents, Google Slides, lecture notes, meeting notes, company documents, articles you've written. So Notebook LM will analyze these sources so it can ask questions based on their content. So the more relevant your materials are, the more accurate and useful the AI's responses will be. Okay, so here, for example, I'm just going to search my sources from the web. Okay, so for example, about volcanic eruption. All right. And then here, we can generate a presentation outline. So one of the best ways to use the Notebook LM is to create a presentation outline. So instead of wondering how to organize your slides, we can ask the Notebook LM to create a 10-slide presentation outline based on these sources. So let me just wait for my sources and I'm going to import them. All right. So for example, you're going to tap it right here, create a 10 slide presentation outline based on this. Okay, based on these sources. All right. So tap on the send option. Or you can type out organize this research into presentation suitable for a university class. So the Notebook LM can suggest a logical flow such as introduction, background, key concepts, research findings, case studies, challenges, recommendations, conclusion, and questions and answers. So this gives you a strong starting point before designing your slides in a presentation software like Google Slides, Microsoft PowerPoint, or Canva. All right, so Here are the results. Okay, now we can also summarize content for each slide. So slide should highlight the main ideas rather than contain long paragraph. Okay, so Notebook LM can help you simplify your content. So we can try to type out the prompts right here, like summarize these research, okay, into bullet points for one presentation slide. Okay, or explain this topic in simple language for a general audience. You can also ask it to shorten the complex explanations, identify the most important statistics, highlight key findings, or create concise talking points. So this helps you avoid overcrowded slides while keeping your message clear. Okay, so now your slides don't need to include everything you plan to say. So we can create a speaker notes for this one. So instead use the Notebook LM to generate speaker notes. So we can type it right here, create speaker notes. Okay, for this presentation outline. So these notes can help you remember important points while keeping your slides clean and visually appealing. So you can also ask the Notebook LM to adjust the tone depending on whether you're presenting to classmates, clients, managers, or conference attendees. Okay, so let's just wait. And then you can also prepare for questions. So a great presentation includes being ready for audience questions. So the Notebook LM can help you by generating likely questions based on your uploaded materials. So for example, what questions might my professor ask after this presentation? So let us type it out right here. What questions might my professor, my advisor ask after this presentation? Okay, so practicing these questions can improve your confidence and help you explain your topic more effectively. And of course, the Notebook LM also includes the audio overviews, so you have that right here. So listening to this overview before your presentation is a great way to reinforce the key ideas without reading every document. So it's especially useful if you're preparing while commuting or taking a break from your computer. Okay, so just a quick tips: upload reliable and well-organized source materials, and then keep your slides simple with short bullet points, images, charts, or diagrams, and use your speaker notes to provide the details. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.